Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prompt using Omnigen. In order to do so, first off, you are going to want to go to fal.ai, that's FAL.ai, and you're going to explore and search for Omnigen. Once you have that open and ready to go, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. And you can see here where you can enter in the prompt here, and then once you're done, you can select Run. There is an example that is provided, and you can see that here. You can try that out, and this is the result. So you can see neon words, Omnigen, are flashing in a prosperous future city, the sense of science and technology, quality details, hyper-realistic, high-definition, 8K photo, best quality, high quality. These are all basic prompts that you are likely going to want to get used to using for any prompts that you do across the board, whether you're using Omnigen or any other image generator or video generator. There are certain prompts that you almost always want to add with your prompts, and this right here, these ones right here, this is an example of the kind of prompts that you want to get used to using. Something that you can do as well is you can always use a chat bot like ChatGPT or something and basically just ask for help with prompts. So if you have a specific idea that you're playing with and you want to make sure that it's as tight as possible, then you can come into ChatGPT and you can just ask a question like, can you give me So can you give me a variety of prompts to help my image generation? And we'll go ahead and hit enter on that. And here you go. You can see that ChatGPT is going to give you a variety of options that you can go ahead and go through. And this will just kind of give you an idea of what kind of prompts you can use if you want to try to improve those as much as possible. Now, in this case, it wasn't really giving me anything related to like improved prompts. So let's go ahead and try and specify a little bit more. Okay. Okay. So here you can see that we've got some more specific things here. An ultra-detailed high-tech space station with sleek metallic surfaces, large windows revealing the vastness of space. So this kind of gives you an idea of the more in-depth details that you can get from your prompts, a hyper-realistic cyberpunk street at night, etc., etc. So whatever is your idea is, if you come into something like ChatGPT and you basically just ask to give it more details to improve your prompts, then you can do that. However, you still, I would recommend, want to use prompts like this: quality details, hyper-realistic, high definition, 8K. I believe you can even go up to like 16K. You can kind of get a little crazy with it and see what kind of results you get. As it is with most image generators, you are going to get mixed results. Some of them are going to be really good, and at the end of the day, it's about going through and curating the best ones. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.